I am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Zeba Fertility Centers. Two important hormones can tell us a lot about your ovarian reserve. Of course, there are a lot more hormones that are investigated to correlate with your fertility potential, but I'm going to talk about the importance of two: follicle stimulating hormone and anti-Mullerian hormone. Now, these hormones are more or less related with your age. When your age is less, these hormones are at a certain level. When your age is more, then these hormones also fluctuate. What do I mean by more age? So around 35 is when there is a natural decline in your ovarian reserve, which means what? The number of eggs in your ovaries. FSH begins to rise. It rises so much that when the level is high, only then eggs begin to grow and ovulate. So what does it mean? A high signal can stimulate eggs. So remember that. So FSH is very high in certain cases when the age is also increasing. AMH, on the other hand, which is anti-Mullerian hormone, is released by eggs when they are in their antral follicular stage, as in the smaller growth stage. So these follicles release AMH, anti-Mullerian hormone. When AMH is low, it means that lower number of eggs are there. So we can correlate. A woman who's of 35 years old or 40 years old with a high FSH and low AMH is a very natural case. But a woman who is less than 30 but has a high FSH and low AMH comes under the category of premature ovarian failure. There is something wrong. There could be any other reason, genetic reason, endometriosis. There could be other factors which are contributing to this premature ovarian failure. So AMH and FSH can give us a lot of information about why your ovarian reserve is low. FSH should not be very high, AMH should not be very low. According to your age, these two should correlate. All these are correlated with a scan, also ultrasonography. On day 2 of your period, when a transvaginal ultrasonography scan is conducted, the ovaries are looked at. Antral follicular count are seen. What are these? The group of eggs which are going for that period. Only one will ovulate, the rest will degenerate. Again, for the next month, a few more will start growing, one will ovulate and the rest will degenerate. So this is the natural physiology. AMH and FSH are found out by doing a hormonal test, but ultrasonography is very, very important, and through this only we can correlate with the AMH and FSH report. Based on that, fertility treatment is enhanced. If everything is okay, very minimal treatment is suggested. But if everything is not okay, which is what? High FSH and low AMH, then treatment is recommended to be enhanced or fasten so that you get pregnant faster. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.